One of the industry's most recognized and hyped stocks is the Palantir. And since the beginning of the year, it has been down by 60%. Today at Tech Tank Titans, we'll be talking about everything you need to know about Palantir and its tremendous potential despite its current low performance in the stock market. Before that, please make sure to give this video a like and subscribe. Now, let's not spare a minute longer and get started. After the tragic events of September 11, 2001, Palantir was established in 2003 by PayPal co-founder Peter Thiel, who initially hoped to use the company's proprietary fraud recognition technology to prevent further terrorist acts. Around 8% of Palantir is still owned by Peter Thiel, making him the company's largest stakeholder. Gotham, Palantir's first government product, was adopted initially by Federal Bureau of Investigation and the Central Intelligence Agency. These days, Palantir provides 3 district products, all serving as operating systems. Gotham is the company's OS for military and intelligence operations. The Foundry platform powers today's successful businesses. On the other hand, Apollo is the OS for handling such a deployment and management of complicated software across various contexts. Now, let's delve deeper into a brief overview of each product. The intelligence community relies heavily on the government's Gotham software platform. It takes a massive amounts of data, which opens the door to analysis and discovery. Gotham aids in identifying suspicious or out-of-the-ordinary trends in enormous data sets. Users can combine, analyze, and visualize data from many sources, with the results presented understandably through graphs and maps. The platform also provides users with pre-built scenarios to choose from. Next, we have the business equivalent of Gotham, named Foundry. Particular attention is paid to situations that need little to no coding, such as drop and drag user interfaces. The front-end features of Foundry make it possible for anyone to perform data analysis in a visual, mouse-driven interface. Foundry provides everything an organization needs to execute sophisticated operational workflows such as data and model integration apps, the construction of self-serve analytics, and a decision orchestration layer intended to gather learnings from end users and transmit them to the data teams. Gotham and Foundry have the advantage of being infrastructure agnostic, meaning they can be installed on top of pre-existing operating systems and linked to any number of databases and even standalone systems, such as those found in submarines, airplanes, and space exploration networks. Apollo is the third and last item that is sold voluntarily. For managing software releases in the production setting, you can rely on Apollo, a continuous deployment software platform. It enables developers to prepare code for deployment, test it thoroughly, and then release it in a streamlined manner, all to prevent buggy code from reaching the general public. Similar to how Tesla manages its regular autopilot improvements, Apollo handles Gotham and Foundry by releasing them to their respective customers. Let's take a closer look at how Foundry operates on the commercial side of things, expanding faster than the government. First, Foundry offers 2 critical tools for mouse-driven analysis. Contour enables users to perform data analysis on tabular data. Users of either tool can arrange sophisticated analyses and display, filter, and manipulate data without writing a single line of code. The Pipeline Builder is another essential instrument. The most up-to-date tool for integrating data from Foundry is called Pipeline Builder. It can be used to construct data integration pipelines that clean and prepare data for further analysis from various inputs. Next is Palantir's fully automated software-defined data integration or SDDI. Data from enterprise resource planning or ERP systems like SAP or NetSuite and customer relationship management or CRM systems like Salesforce can be integrated and connected via software-defined data integration, allowing for insights to be gained in hours rather than months. Last but not the least, the ontology, also known as digital twin ontology, is an artificial intelligence or AI and machine learning or ML operational layer that sits atop digital assets such as data sets and models and links them to their physical counterparts such as products or consumer orders to aid in better decision making. Users can use ontology to interact with information provided in ordinary, everyday business terminology. The ontology facilitates real-time interaction between analysts, teams, data scientists, and business decision makers. So why is Palantir's stock price so low if the company has such a robust product on a cutting-edge platform? Not only did Palantir skyrocket in price after its IPO, but the market has become increasingly appreciative of profitable businesses that generate substantial free cash flow. Peter Thiel spent the last 15 years patiently building Palantir, a company still in the early stages of its development and focused on expansion rather than profits. Peter Thiel's goal of creating a sustainable software company has yet to budge, and that's a problem. The stock market is currently in a short-term cycle phase that is unfavorable to profitability and growth. All cost plenty will be still unfashionable for the next couple of months, but we think the long-term vision and execution of the company are much more critical. The business model employed by Balance is strikingly similar to that of a platform. It aimed squarely at the company's programmers and gives them the tools they need to create their custom applications, resulting in extensive personalization. Palantir's business model benefits from the following competitive edges. It appears that the interface and process design have been given a lot of attention. The user-friendliness and straightforwardness of the visualization tools are particularly well received by those without a technical background. Second, Palantir aims to serve as a platform for today's businesses. It is uniquely positioned to provide this OS because of its expertise in analyzing unstructured data. About 80% of the information companies handle daily is amorphous, meaning it does not have any specific format like PDF document, an image, or a video. Finally, Palantir provides a formidable product in the realm of cyber defense. Its technology is tailored to the needs of intelligence agencies and the military, which face more sophisticated threats than the average business. The next issue is the substantial expense involved in making a change. There will be high switching costs if the development team creates a custom solution using the platform's capabilities. Last but not the least, there's the finest kind of mode, network effects, which arise from customers' actions, revealing new prospects for solutions. For example, in 2017, Palantir introduced the aviation data platform Skywise. In the past, Airbus and its planes have generated massive amounts of data collected in isolated silos. This machinery makes fixing problems a time-consuming task. To make it better, the engineering, maintenance, and flight operations, all of these data can be gathered in one place with the help of the open-source platform Skywise, where analytics can be applied to help stakeholders make better decisions. To sum up, as Palantir gains traction across more verticals and with more users, it will be able to ingest more data and gain a more thorough understanding of the underlying data problems facing businesses. Forrester, a highly regarded advisory organization, has named Palantir as the industry leader in AI and ML, demonstrating Foundry's success. The product, vision performance, market strategy, and application criteria were all perfect for the Foundry. Even though Palantir has a fantastic platform, data aggregation remains its most significant execution risk. While Palantir says it doesn't see the data it processes, its history of eavesdropping has made it difficult for some businesses to work with Palantir. The United States National Security Agency uses a top-secret system called XK-Score to scan and analyze worldwide internet data in real time. Palantir assists in the NSA with this task. Since associations will forever tarnish Palantir with eavesdropping, the company's handling of large amounts of sensitive data is a double-edged sword. There are two main reasons why Palantir software has become so popular among its end customers. For starters, it is quite simple and easy to use. Second, adaptability to different foundational architectures. And third, integration with varying data sources for extraction, connection, and presentation in an easily consumable style. Palantir's growth prospects are promising, especially given the company's low price tag. Now, from what we have shown you in this video so far, what are your thoughts about Palantir? Let us know in the comment section below. But other than that, thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe. Hit the bell button to stay updated for more of our technology and stock market related news. This is Tech Tank Titans. Thanks again, and we'll see you soon.